All right. So today I'm gonna teach you. Well, I'm gonna show you how the order of operation works in math. Have you ever heard of the order of operations?
No.
You ever heard of it in a math problem? So when you do a math problem, have you ever done a math problem that has multiple steps in it,
Yes.
like multiplication, division, and addition? And how do you usually solve those type of questions?
By dividing?
Or you just go step by step, or you go from left to right?
Yeah.
So you never really focus on the type of problem it is or the type of step it's asking you to do?
No.
Alright. So there's something called the order of operations, which is the order that you do each type of problem. So the best way that I was able to break it down was for us to break it down into something that we like. It might sound a little silly, but the way that I figured out for us to learn it, because it's parentheses goes first, and then brackets go second, then multiplication, division, and then addition and subtraction. So write those down for me. First write a P. Alright, now down here, you're going to write a B. M for multiplication. A D for division. A A for addition. And an S for subtraction. So all this means is that when we do a problem, we need to first go step by step. And the order is starting with parentheses and going all the way down, and subtraction will be our last step that we do. So here's the way we're going to memorize them. So say peanut, butter, milk, dud, and a Skittle. That's what we're going to memorize. Peanut, butter, milk, dud, and a what? A Skittle. You get it? All right, now you repeat it back to me. You should be able to say it.
Peanut, butter, milk, dud, and a Skittle.
And a Skittle. There you go. That's the way you're going to memorize it. So whenever you get a problem, the first thing you're going to do, to help you out, what I would suggest is that you write these letters on the side of your paper. So that way when you're doing the problem, you could go off like a little checklist so you can make sure you're doing the order in the correct order. Alright? So did you kind of understand how things work now? So for certain problems, yes, you do work from left to right. But for other problems that have multiple types of problems in them, there's an order you have to follow in order for you to get the correct answer. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
So let's start with this problem right here. So write down 6 plus.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. 6 plus. In the parentheses, 5 times 5. Close parentheses. Minus 10. Now remember to write down the order of operations on the side. Recite a little saying in your mind. It's a little silly, but trust me, when you're taking a test, it's going to come in clutch because you know how to remember it. Alright, so try to answer the question. The problem. Which step goes first?
Parentheses.
Okay, so what's in the parentheses?
5.
Well, what problem is in the parentheses? What problem is that?
5 times 5.
5 times 5. So first answer that. What's 5 times 5?
10. No, that's not 10. 25.
25. So you can already write the problem. You're going to put 6 plus.
Right here?
6 plus 25 minus 10. Okay, so now what step goes next now?
Add 26 to 25.
Why?
Because you're going left to right.
Yeah, but check down here. What comes first, addition or subtraction? What comes first?
Addition.
Addition. That's what you're going to add first.
$30 and subtract 10, so it's going to be 20.
What's 6 plus 25? Break it down. What's
31.
5? There you go. 31. So write 31.
Right.
In the bottom. 31 minus 10. What would that give you?
It's going to give me 21.
21.
Put 21 in the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's do one more. Let's stay. For today, I'm just gonna stay in between multiplication and that because I don't want to throw the brackets at you yet. All right. So let's just focus on another one on parentheses. So let's go ahead and do. Let's do this one. 21 plus 11 to the parentheses. 21 plus 11. Close parentheses. Close it. Put another one on the end.
Okay.
On the end. Close it. Alright. Now it's going to be times. What's that? 30 minus 22. Close parentheses. You're always going to close it, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Always. Because if not, the problem's going to keep going. You might get confused. Do this one by yourself. Using the order of operations.
Put it right
If you need me, let me know right here.
Go to the parentheses.
Mm-hmm.
21 plus 11.
Mm-hmm. There's anything you need to use, any type of strategy. You need to make dots, boxes, lines, whatever you need to make.
32.
Okay.
Inputs. Subtract it from 30.
That's a multiplication sign.
Oh.
So now you're multiplying 32 times whatever number you get over here. So now put the multiplication sign right there. Times. And now solve the problem. 30 minus 22. Because that's in parentheses, right?
30 minus 22.
Mm-hmm.
Can I do the problem here?
Whatever you need to do. Whatever.
With 30 minus or plus? I mean times.
30 minus 22.
$52.
Okay, but you added. We're trying to subtract. So let's do it. Let's do this. So, how many more do you need to get from 22 to 30? Count. How many do you need to get to 30 from 22?
8.
8. So that's your answer. 30 minus 22 is 8.
Put 8.
Yep. So now you're going to multiply what?
8 times 22. Or 30, right?
32 times 8. So now set it up as a multiplication problem. Good. Good. The answer is 256. Alright, good job. Alright, so now you understand, right?
Yeah.
A problem, sometimes you do work from left to right. Well, they're all the same type of problem. But when you have addition, subtraction, division, multiplication involved, in parentheses, you gotta follow the order operations. Alright?